I feel like taking ice cream.
Teach you how to perform your monthly duties.
The next day.
Morning, guys. Hi, my loves. Good morning. I don't know what my tie is doing, but whatever at this point in time. So I'm in the street of Benin. I'm heading house. I could not make the intro again. I'm coming. So I could not make the intro again. So good morning, welcome to a new vlog. Today we are going out. I know I feel so stupid vlogging in the road right now, but I hope you guys can hear me. So welcome to the last days in school with me. And yeah, I'm going to two places. I'm going to the bank and I'm going to eat. I don't know which I will go first, but let's go. Guys, I'm trying to locate the shop I bought stuff from yesterday. There's one thing I love about people that practice this now is that they don't take division for granted. Like, yeah, I think there is one thing. So guys, I'm back to school. So I want to take vlogging seriously this semester. Like, when I mean serious, I want to vlog every day. That is how I want to vlog. It's not easy, but we can do it together. I feel like taking ice cream. And that's the one to do. Longer will not kill me. Say hey man on my behalf. This vlogging thing will work this year. It must work. I want to buy ice cream. Good afternoon, man. So guys, I got the ice cream. I don't want to lick it now, but guys, shockingly, do you know how much is this ice cream? 200. Like, is there anything that is like 59 in Nigeria again? I'm going to my hostel now. I want to bathe. God, I've just been stressed, and guess what? I'm not doing anything. Victoria, what is the issue?
I don't even know. Just leave the outfit.
You remove the bonnet. Try different outfits. That is the idea for this man.
Yeah, I would not lie. I don't tell you.
Victoria cannot even help somebody decide.
I don't know if to decide because we are both undecided.
You can't wear white, Abi.
No.
It's not giving. It's not giving.
But it's nice.
The next day.
Hi my loves, good afternoon. How are you all doing? So in today's video I'm going out to shoot, but it's a little bit different. I'm coming. I love my feet. Let me show you guys my feet. Yeah. So this is what I'm working with. After that, it's all black and that's the way we are going. Hi, my love. Yeah, that's. Yes. He's my assistant. You know, when I blow, I will employ you. Let me check the toilet then. Is it running? Let's check the filter. It's in the It's so fine. I love you guys' interiors, by the way. But yeah, I wanna video you. Victoria, say hi. Love the place, by the way. Well done, also. I love the playground. Let me put some on. I know that I want to see So I was told 1,000 for one person to use the pool, and if we are 10, that is 10,000. So basically, that's the pool side, and this is the, let me say, the playground for children basically. This is the restaurant, and that is the kiosk. So yeah. Is this something they call it? Oh.
I don't know. I don't know if that's location.
So this is the location. It's a blue.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, me and my roommate came to Matai to, let me just say, to get something for someone. And as you can see, this is Matai and games. There's a playground, there's where you can eat, there's a place you can play games and all. And I think if anyone should want to have a place to play or anything, Matai is actually the best place to come to. Thank you.
Now why you shy? See the camera there. Smile.
Hey, it's me again, your host Victoria. We are just coming back from where we went to Dubai. But so it was the board, and like the smile on his face shows that he was so happy. And I'm grateful for all of you for your support and all that. I want to say thank you and a very, very big thank you.
Bye.
Come give me love, give me your body, you. Ain't nobody touching you. Wanna try it, it touching you.
You want reward? I'm a boy. Don't do.
Victoria. I'm with this girl. We'll just bundle her into one man.
Thank you. Oh, finally out. So I was thinking of ending this vlog, and there's no better way to end the vlog. And and I decided to end the vlog here and now, because I want to start. I think this movie is too loud, but I hope you guys can hear me. I want to start Salah vlog today. I'm editing a video which I want to put up today. It's for Instagram. It's about a young boy. I think you guys have seen it on YouTube, because before I post on Instagram, I post it on YouTube to see the engagement. If the engagement is good, then I upload it on Instagram. But if the engagement is not good, I won't upload it on Instagram. So when I uploaded it on YouTube, although my YouTube short has been muted, I got few feedback and everything, like comments. Thank you guys for the comments. And this particular guy I want to help. It's just something that normally I would not do it.